this way. This is a nice spot. Can you take a picture of me, please? Dr. Lambeau! No, not like that. Can you take the shot and make me look like David Beckham?
Hey, be polite to me. Learn to behave. You'd better tell me what you learned yesterday.
Well, we have learned about some basics of Forex trading. A tradable foreign currency can easily be converted back and forth.
Good. Now let's talk about trading currency pairs. Trading currency pairs. Have you ever noticed that foreign currencies are always traded in pairs? We call it a currency pair. Currently, the popular currencies in the international market include US dollar, euro, Japanese yen, pound sterling, Swiss franc, Canadian dollar, Australian dollar, New Zealand dollar. These currencies account for 90% of the global Forex market volume. It is worth noting that the Chinese yuan has become the 5th popular currency in international payments. Also, exchange rate fluctuations depend on the demand and supply of the currency, resembling a tug of war. Currency pairs are classified into US dollar-involved currency pairs and cross-currency pairs. A US dollar-involved currency pair involves the US dollar, which has a high liquidity and is the most traded currency in the world. On the other hand, a cross-currency pair does not involve the US dollar. The most popular currency pairs are euro to US dollar to Japanese yen, pound sterling to US dollar to Swiss franc, US dollar to Canadian dollar, Australian dollar to US dollar, New Zealand dollar to US dollar. Among them, the euro, Japanese yen, and pound sterling are the most actively traded non-dollar currencies. Okay, now let's go over what we have learned today. Foreign currencies are always traded in pairs. The currency pair with the involvement of the US dollar is called a US dollar pair. Conversely, a currency pair that does not involve the US dollar is referred to as a cross pair. Well, I have a quiz for you now. That is all we've learned today. In the next video, we'll learn about the Forex market features.